So one of the things that we've seen in the last year, 2 years, but we've seen an explosive growth in the need for enterprise asset management, or EAM services. A great deal of upgrades, a fair number of just implementations, and that's really been across many of the 3 top EAM applications. So Infor, Hexagon, Maximo, and SAP. And with that, of course, we need the people. And Advoco is one of the premier folks in that Infor realm, so we found that to be one of the great reasons to make that acquisition.
And really with the Accenture acquisition of Advoco really rounds out their portfolio so that really they can now play in all kinds of markets and spaces, and we're glad to be able to fill one of those roles.
And I think one of the other reasons to work with folks like Advoco was their innovative strategic vision for EAM. And one, how to deliver it, their pathways for how to train people on it, and also for what things could be. So I think those are some of the, and when I say what things could be, they're looking at how can we innovate around EAM with the customer. So how can we challenge folks like Hexagon Infor to be building the next better product?
Yeah, I mean, I think too, one of the things that, we've spent a lot with deep domain expertise, and I think clients are asking more and more for that deep domain expertise. And they're also looking for time to value, right? How quickly can we get up and running? And sometimes we think about asset management as sort of the operating system, right? It's, you really becomes the heartbeat of what people do in the data collection, and then you can build around it, So we can create a lot of IoT strategies, APM, but if you don't have that deep core of asset management, then you can't take it to other levels. And for me, and our company was exciting to join the Accenture team because they let us come into new clients, they open up new doors, but then we can grow in all other areas of other acquisitions like Callisto, which does MES integration and IoT, and Myrtle Consulting that operates around really operational effectiveness and those kind of things. And when you start to bundle those together, it's a really powerful story. And that's what we were really excited that we believe joining the Accenture team gives us those opportunities. So it's actually fascinating. One of my favorite country music songs, Darn Party, right? You got to get mud on your boots. And I think sometimes when we get in the maintenance world, right, you got to get a little dirty. And I think in the past, right, you might have thought about organizations or big SIs that didn't want to get mud on their boots. And that's really the cool thing, is we like getting in the plants. And I think that's IMC, right? This is this crowd. These are all people that like to get mud on their boots. They all get down and dirty into the equipment. They want to understand it. And so to me, that's what I love about IMC, is we're all kind of...
Because it's about the people.
It is about the people, yeah.